Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
For a long time, securing a PlayStation 5 felt like a difficult quest, but thankfully, things are looking very different in 2025. The days of struggling to find stock are mostly behind us now. You can expect to see consoles much more regularly available, both online and in physical stores across many retailers. This makes planning your purchase far easier, and you won't need to refresh pages constantly just to snag one, allowing for a much less stressful buying experience. When you're ready to buy, remember that there are currently two main models: the standard PS5 with a disk drive and the digital edition without one. By 2025, it's highly probable we'll also see a more compact slim version, which could be a great choice for space-conscious gamers. There's also ongoing speculation about a Pro model, potentially offering enhanced performance, so definitely keep an eye on official Sony announcements before making your final decision. Your best bet for securing a PS5 in 2025 will be through major, reputable retailers, both online and brick-and-mortar stores. Think Amazon, Best Buy, GameStop, Target, and Walmart. To stay ahead, sign up for stock alert notifications from these stores directly or follow reliable tech news outlets that track availability. Often, you might find attractive bundled deals, which include games or accessories, providing excellent value for your purchase. While stock is improving, it's still crucial to be smart and safe when buying. Always avoid inflated prices from unofficial third-party sellers or scalpers, which can still pop up. Stick exclusively to well-known, established retailers to guarantee you're getting a genuine console with a valid warranty. Never make purchases from shady websites, through direct messages on social media, or from unverified sources, as these are often scams designed to take your money without delivering a product. The wait for a PlayStation 5 might have been long for many, but in 2025, securing one is much less of a challenge. Remember, finding the right deal from a trusted source is truly worth it. Once your new console arrives, get ready to explore the incredible library of games, from stunning exclusives to fantastic multi-platform titles. The PlayStation 5 truly offers an amazing, immersive gaming experience, and it's certainly ready to entertain you for many years ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.